Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 30th, 2024. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue in this afternoon with the last regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block, in Japanese, Suguru. News of the day, well, I've in the newspaper I saw that several countries want to boycott. They want to ban Israel from the participation of the Euro Song Contest. Yeah, the country is still in war with Hamas, and a lot of people, Palestinians, suffering. It's raining there, so not a good condition there. Anyway, let me continue. Number 7901. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, so I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. But it's indicated with a 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 1 star, 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. Well, not true, we have 1 single box. Always a 1 here. Okay. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Only 1 dual box. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. The 2 is already given, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. All right. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, we have no quadra boxes here. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes surround 3, can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 3 there. If you place the 3 here, then this box is connected with that box, so we also have 3. But we already have a 3 here. So not the solution to place the 3 there, the only place level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Then we have 2 numbers left. No, 3 numbers left. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. Now we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, this box can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Well, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box 4 and a 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then, well, 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 40. If I place a 4 here, I cannot place a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so the only place left the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Can I be a 3 stars? Can it be a 2 stars? Can it be a 1 star? It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, yeah, should be a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.